Your entire fleet, right at your fingertips. This is Road Ready by Trucklight. Road Ready monitors your trailers inside and out and alerts you in real time when issues occur, helping you keep your fleet safe, secure, and compliant. Best of all, Road Ready operates completely untethered. Get data from any trailer, anytime, anywhere. No power needed. With more available sensors than anyone on the market, you can stay connected to your fleet like never before. Easy installation, wireless communication. With a 10-year battery life, the rugged, solar-powered master control unit delivers real-time trailer data directly to you through the Road Ready user interface. The intuitive Road Ready user interface puts you in control. Receive real-time alerts, view fleet reports, and access 24/7 live trailer data all in one spot. Available in 2018, Road Ready's Smart Bridge Integrator can turn a trailer into a network that can access data from OE trailer products and broadcast it to the Road Ready user interface. Easily access information that is usually only available directly on the trailer through expensive add-on equipment. The Smart Bridge Integrator can compile all OE product data through one device. Compatible OEs include Continental, Hendrickson, PSI, Perkins, and Stemco, with many more to come. Join the growing network of Road Ready equipped trailers all across North America. Improve fleet utilization, lower CSA scores, decrease maintenance costs, and always know the location of your trailers. Are you Road Ready?